Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to full screen on Netflix. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you're having any problems while logging in, we have prepared a video for that as well. Now let's begin. Scroll down from here and choose any video that you wish to view. Let's just say I want to view this video. Simply play it. Now from here, to enable full screen, what you can do is simply press the F button. It's gonna enable full screen like this. Else at the very bottom right, you will find a button like this. That's like a rectangle. You can click on this as well, and that will enable full screen. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you enable full screen on Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.